Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jam, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. For today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys a PR gift sent to me by Cathy Philippines. We have gel base coat and gel top coat by Cathy. Peel off base coat. Cathy Tokyo Collection Japanese UV Color Coat Gel Polishes in 07, 53, and 10. And lastly, we have their 54 watts UV LED nail lamp. I'm super duper happy and grateful for Cathy Philippines for sending all of these. And guess what? This is my very first time trying and having gel polishes. I'm so excited! Okay, so without further ado, let's start swatching! But first, let's start by applying their gel base coat. After applying it, let's cure it for 30 seconds. Now let's apply one coat of 07. By the way, what I've noticed about gel polishes is that it's super okay to keep on brushing the polish onto the nail or onto the press-on nail because it doesn't dry without using the lamp. So it won't get clumpy or tacky even if you apply it or brush it multiple times. Then let's cure it again for 30 seconds. Then I'm applying the second coat. I also noticed that it's better to work with thin layers for gel polishes too. Then let's cure it again for 30 seconds. I want it to look more opaque, so let's apply a third coat. Then let's cure it for another 30 seconds. After 3 coats of the shade 7, I'm applying gel top coat. Then let's cure it again for 30 seconds. And here we have it! It's super shiny and I'm loving the pretty pale pink shade. Now let's move on to the second shade, which is 10. Of course, before applying this shade, I already applied the gel base coat. Now let's cure it for 30 seconds. Now I'm applying the second coat. Let's cure it for 30 seconds. I'm applying gel top coat. Let's cure it for 30 seconds. This is such a gorgeous candy pink shade. And for the last shade to swatch, it's 53. Now let's cure it for 30 seconds. Next, let's apply the second coat. Then let's cure it again for 30 seconds. I'm applying gel top coat. Now let's cure it for 30 seconds. 53 is such a beautiful earthy brown shade. And now we're done swatching the gel polishes. Once again, thank you so much Cathy Philippines for sending all of these. I've never thought that I would have gel polishes. I'll be posting more nail art designs soon. By the way, don't forget to swing by at Cathy's official Facebook and Instagram pages. Links are available on the description box below. And check out Cathy products at Shopee and Lazada. Of course, their links are also available on the description box below. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!